to show you how to make a delicious lemon pepper brown rice. This can be put with our all delicious mango peach salsa grouper. So first I'm going to add a tablespoon of Wild Tree's buttered grapeseed oil, again, to my collagen organic chicken broth. I already have that heated so that we can move along. Then I'm going to add a cup of the long grain brown rice. Stir it around. Bring it back to a boiler. Put the lid on and simmer it for 40 minutes. Then, the rice looking like this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Wild Tree's lemon pepper seasoning. And we're going to mix that up. This is really an excellent, it gives a little kick, the pepper, but the lemon blends right in with any kind of fish taste. And here we go, our second portion of our romantic dinner for two.